Ooh. Hello, everyone. I know I say that at every beginning of the video, but what else I'm supposed to say? Hello, everyone, and anyone that comes across this video. Y'all see it? Look, loaded up back there, loaded up, and I still don't have the gazebo in, so I still have to go to storage and get the gazebo. What else? Because a lot of this stuff, like that mattress that's back there, I took that out the van from up top because I want to see if I could use it back here, even though I got another mattress and some memory foam. But hey, the more the merrier, better cushion. So anyway, a lot of stuff that I took out the van that I'm going to be keeping in the car, and because I actually have the same more type stuff sitting in the van still, so I have stuff for both of my houses on wheels. Anyway, I am going to pick up little Jay, and me and him we're going to storage to get the gazebo and my table. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna fit everything else in here? I just need the gazebo and my table. I took all my propane because that's going to take weight off the van as well, because I had it all in the closet. All kinds of lamps and camping lights and fans and this and that and that. So anyway, I have to go. Oh yeah, in the tent. I got to get the gazebo, the tent, the table, and I think that's it. So yeah, let me get over there and get little Jay so we can go to the storage, and then we're gonna meet my mom at Heaven's house because she's gonna go there and pick up my grandson, and then we're gonna be out. So let's see when we get there. It's hot over there. Lil Jay.
Yes.
I'm here. Bring your bag. Make sure you turn off all your stuff, your TV and everything. And come over. What do you mean it's broke? You said you still was able to see the screen?
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, turn off all your stuff. If you got the air conditioner or anything, turn it off. And come open the door. You gotta make room to put your scooter in the car. All right, bye.
Bye.
It's not right there. Oh. Hello?
What's up, now?
Nothing. At your house, about to get, well, I told little Jay, come on, I'm about to bring the scooter out and all that mess. I don't even know how I'm gonna fit it in here.
I already know.
You already know me, huh?
I already know. Oh, he had one shit.
Who?
Little Jay?
You said he had more stuff?
Yeah.
I don't know where
He had a suitcase, a book bag, and another duffel bag. I said, listen, Little Jay, you'll be tight. I need to be taking that duffel bag in your,
bunch of toys in there. Bunch of toys in there.
Yes. You don't need.
He
It's time
is
to take the piggy bank.
the piggy bank, honey.
Yeah.
He is so my son.
He gonna talk about he wanted the piggy bank to go on a journey with him. Man,
Oh
take
my
it upstairs.
goodness. I can't.
I said, oh.
I know I'm gonna have to go in here and be like, leave that. Because I still gotta go to storage to get the gazebo. And my car already to the roof. I know. But you know, a lot of the stuff is for the build out. So once I get there and put everything in order, it won't be piled up like this coming back. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Because it'll be all in order. My mattress is folded up in the air. The bedding, you know, a lot of stuff that's going to be more put in order. Oh, that just made me realize something. When I get the storage, I'm going to have to move this stuff around because I don't even have the shelf in here. It's in storage. So the shelf got to fit in here, the gazebo. Honey, I don't know, but I'm going to make it work.
Yeah, you always do. Somehow, some way.
If I got to pile a whole bunch of stuff on little J lap in this front seat.
Yeah.
Here he comes. Here he come, and he do got a suitcase and a duffel bag.
I told you.
What's in there?
So these are the big toys? These are the little toys?
He's like, these are the big toys, these are the little toys. You don't even need that many toys.
Because I couldn't bring my piggy bank, so he said no, leave it here.
Yeah, why would you want to bring that?
Because, like, his name is Ham, and he owns the shop.
I can't. I'm out here sweating, too.
What?
Melting.
Yeah.
I know. How we going to fit all that stuff in? We got to put this scooter in there.
Right there. Just right there. It can fit right there. Or else I'm going to hold the backpack and then the thing, just slide it right there. And then we can try to find out.
He got your eye right there.
He got my eye. Don't lock the door.
Don't act different now.
I am. I'm not going to act different. You try to drink my water when it's a whole
My throat burning,
40 bottles in your house you could have got.
Hey, my throat burning.
I don't care.
I had to, hey.
You could have got you one. You want to drink mine and then say, am I going to drink the rest?
Y'all, she brought y'all, first of all, subscribe to her. She's amazing. But, y'all, she brought the entire house with her. And I was like, just give up. You gotta let something go. But congratulations, clap it up for her. Cause she put out of it. Like, look, come here right here.
Wait,
The
hold
whole
on.
thing, the whole thing is stuck. Whole thing.
This bag got to go up front with us.
And I was like,
That's some of the bedding we going to need for the ark beds in the tent.
I was like, just give up, Mom. You can't, it's not
Yeah.
gonna fit.
He said it wasn't going to fit, but I'm about to show y'all this amazing job I did.
Look at this.
Boom, 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 boom.
All it is. My bag is right here. My two other bags are in the front. The cooler stuff.
Look, now you done messed with it. I had it perfect with the door was closed. Good. Everything. So, yeah. Definitely going to be using my side view mirrors the whole ride.
I was crying. Because I was like, and then I saw this movie where the whole thing, all this stuff just fell out. And I was like, please don't
You
fail.
got to help me get this stuff out when we get there. Especially that heavy scooter.
Yep.
Anyway, watch this, y'all.
She brought things. Watch.
Ooh. Honey, honey. Ooh, honey. Yep, well, we did it. What? What?
Come here.
What?
Where am I going to sit? Without, like...
I told you got to squeeze in over there, and this bag going to be in the middle of us.
I had to carry stuff. Her legs.
All right, go on and get in so I can put the bag in there. I'll show you how this going to work.
Stay with the DJ from the
Hey, girl.
She mad right now.
Hey, girl.
You know what?
There go my mom.
You gonna crack up and laugh.
There go my mom, y'all.
Look, you gonna crack up.
Oh, you got enough room for me to put something in there?
No, I don't. Where am I gonna put it at?
You got a whole...
Shit, I got shit falling out the door. When you open up the door, I got stuff falling out the door.
Wait till you see my car. You know he don't like being messed with.
Yeah, please.
Yesterday I took the music.
I know.
Yeah, but he's not. You know, he's just like.
I know.
Yeah, we turning up.
We doing our big one, the Ransom family.
Not
And Cartwright.
Heaven.
And Clemens.
Heaven.
And Little Brown. Do you have a twin sister? Yeah, I'm Beyonce's little cousin.
Heaven.
You don't see the blonde? Come on
The
now.
kid kept on throwing rocks on my back.
I'm little Beyonce.
Come on, forget that mess.
I gotta tell her.
Tell her what?
Look,
Yeah,
same kid, he threw rocks.
Anyway.
He kept on throwing rocks.
Oh, baby.
They both was throwing rocks.
No, he
asses.
came out of nowhere and he threw it at my back.
He lied to somebody. He came out of
He
nowhere.
did.
started
He
ambushed.
snuck me.
Please, I cannot.
He hit me right here. I can't sit no more.
What?
Oh, God. We need to go to the police.
I gotta stop the damn. Y'all,
I thought you was coming
I'm
back.
trying to get my mom to put this bag in her car, right? And she like, look at my car.
Yeah, I'm like, look.
Look at her car.
He did. He almost, his stuff is like
I don't have
beautiful.
warning
Like,
sickness, but I do
he made
have
like,
warnings.
he was working on Pixar. He did the first Toy Story movie. Oh, hey guys. He did the first Toy Story movie. He also did Cars, A Bug's Life. He did a lot of them.
Who is he?
Randy Newman.
Randy Newman. Randy Newman.
I can't tell you.
Like,
I can't tell you.
he flew back
You know
in my
how
face
nice
like
Heaven keeps
Spider-Man.
her house?
Yeah.
I said, Heaven, you ought to check the video.
I was so mad. I was
You
like,
know that boy controls from every room. and
Look
just
at her
going
car.
down the
Oh, no, no.
like a good. He did all that.
No, why you do that to your
Every
mommy house?
room in the house is a disaster. It look like she don't keep her house.
What happened? You asleep?
Not them out.
Anyway, we made it, y'all. I gotta go in here and check in. And probably get some, maybe 2 high, maybe 2 bundles of wood, I don't know. But it's time to check in. This is good old New Jersey.
Right here.
Hi. Checking in.
What's site number?
I think it might be 4 or 1, 3 or 1, something like that.
What's the name?
Nicole Edie. Because I know I have another one for next week, and I think that's 57.
Great.
Oh, okay.
I don't feel scared to hear this. It's not real.
It's fine.
Every time I look at it, I think he's gonna bite my face
It
off.
do look so realistic. That's the same one was in the office over there. I got pictures of him next to it when he's like
Really?
6 years old.
You'll have to keep taking them.
Yes, that's right. You gotta get another picture with you in the
The
baby.
evolution of him.
The evolution
Yes.
of Jerome Clemens.
Wait till you see. I'm gonna put these side by side. That other picture I had.
She'll embarrass you at your wedding day with something.
Man, look at this. On my prom. Look at this. He was so little.
Okay, so.
I'm 12 now.
You
got a couple more years.
Right. Fly by though, you better be careful. That's why he went like this. I got bug spray.
Mom, go on.
Don't step on my stuff.
Sorry.
I got bug spray. I got it.
Got it.
Score. I'm not a good thrower.
sitting there like a good little boy. My mom picked her spot where her tent gonna go. She's sorting out some more of her things. We got the gazebo up over the table. And she's sorting through her things. Then I'm gonna help her put her tent up. Meanwhile,
The bed right here, the one I just got. I'll show you the box, but I keep the box.
and my tent, me and little Jay's tent is up. I'm just going to go and take our beds and then put everything in there, but I need a break. I was tired, boss. Huh? Yeah. I don't know if I have my cord with me. I do, because I bought that suitcase. That's why I took up a lot of room. I bought my suitcase that got all my cords and lights and all that stuff in there, so I should have a good extension cord there. Yes, we about to put her tent up.
And this is the best campground ever.
Yeah, she loves it here, y'all.
We spend a lot of time here.
We got the river. Goes all the way around. I like this spot over here, Mom, because of the river right there. But next week we're gonna be over here on the other side. Cause the only one they had left was 57. That was the last one. Other than that, it's all gonna be booked. I know. All right, so look at that beautiful sun. Anyway, let's get her tent up.
You're right there, remind me. Oh, I'm probably. Oh, I need more. So I got to spread that out some more. That's why I need 2 of them. Let me make sure I have coming in here, right? Yeah, I know that. But I'm saying I want to make sure, yeah, we got enough room for everything. All right, okay. All right, yeah, okay. Now you need a stick? I'll tell you some of the other ones to put on the ground.
She's a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, she's one of a kind. Got that confidence and style. She's blowing your mind. With every step she takes, she's owning the scene. A queen in her own right, living her dream. She's got that fire in her eyes, determination in her soul. Breaking barriers, reaching goals, she's on a roll. She's a diamond in the rough, shining bright. A woman like her, she's a beautiful sight. She's breaking molds, she's breaking rules. In a world that tries to push her down, she won't lose. She's standing tall, she's standing strong. In a world that tells her she don't belong, she's a woman like me.
I'm putting that up too.
Over top of the tent.
Should I or no? Or just put it like coming like in the area like that? Should I put it on top of the tent? What you think?
You could put it on top or you could put it right in front when you come out your chair to sit in.
It's up here. Yes, whatever you think. It'll be cooler, won't it? Yeah. All right. Well, we got that there. Now what we gotta do? We gotta get the what's this? Oh, you ain't need this one. This extra one, huh? All right, here. Put that there and let's get the top. Put my rug in there. Your mother getting old, girl.
You getting old?
I'll be 70 years old. Truly blessed.
Yeah.
I'm really, truly blessed.
Yeah, me and Lil J was saying, me and Big J was like, you give us hope.
Who?
You. Yeah, baby, you know what I'm saying? Because we 50. So if you got to be 70, it's like, I'm like, well, God, if it's in your heart, I might got another good 20 years. It's not like that. I can really live my
God
life.
really been good to me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, you know, I probably wouldn't have lived longer. Like, I kind of got away from a lot of stuff. And, you know, God is my
Recording
personal
for me.
savior. Huh?
You know we're recording, right? Yes, because we wanted them to see us putting up your dance.
I didn't say nothing wrong.
No, I just wanted to let you know
I'm glad
before you do.
told me. But you know what heaven said?
What?
Heaven said, Grandma, you gonna live to be 100 years old. I said, Heaven, I love me some Heaven. I love her personality. She got her own little stuff, you know what I mean? And she's two-person because they said Gemini is two people too.
Yeah.
Well, you didn't really have the two people. You Lala. You always be like,
Yeah, that's
but
what a lot of people said.
her, she one day Heaven. I don't know who the other Heaven is.
I know. People used to always say that though.
What?
That I'm always the same. And then, but they say, you a Gemini? Oh, you just two-faced. I ain't
Man,
two-faced.
you got a good heart. You do. You
I
know.
appreciate that.
You do got a good
You know
heart.
what? The nicest thing somebody ever said to me in my life was Heaven. She said, and I don't think she was trying to. We was talking about life, different stuff, and she was like, well, I know one thing. I don't care if we come back here as a dog, a bird, a rat. I don't care where I come back. As long as you my mom.
Who said that?
Heaven.
Oh, that's the sweetest thing
Yeah.
anyone can ever
I know.
say.
She said, well, I know one thing. I don't care what. If I come back, I don't care if I'm a dog, a bird, a cat, a rat. As
Oh,
long
that's
as
too
you my
cute.
mom.
That
And
is
wasn't
too
it?
cute. You got
Almost
me
broke
tearing.
my heart.
I know, yeah. Heaven
Yeah.
is so sweet.
She is.
That's
yeah.
why she was popular. She was real popular. Heaven's really
Yeah.
sweet, yeah.
Yeah.
But even though a lot of jealous people, oh God.
Yeah. But it's okay, so you gonna have to go around because look, this is the front door part. So you go around. Alright guys, mom tent is up. Now she about to get in there and organize it up, put her bed up and everything. And I'm about to do the same.
Well, I gotta put that up.
Yeah. You wanna do it now or you gonna get your stuff together?
I might be too late when we go that far.
No, that ain't nothing to pop up.
That's okay.
Or as soon as you get all your stuff in here, we can do it. And like you said, if you want to, we can put it up tomorrow. If you don't put it up tonight. Well, anyway, see what they doing. Oh, that's right. Little Jay went to go ride his scooter. Forgot that quick. Somewhere over there. So let me finish getting my inside of the tent together. I think I'm gonna start on the car tomorrow. I guess. Sitting here. I should have put in here. I'm gonna put in some lights. Let's see. Alright. Eating my sandwich. Oof. Gotta talk love. You know, camp etiquette. It is a class level here. Mom over there trying to make sure that she getting food out of the gazebo, put them in the cars. We in bear country gonna get no food out or no trash. No. My grandson over there asleep. So, I'm actually tired. This is the flash from my phone. So we get that light on. Yeah, we were sitting here by the fire when I was eating my sandwich and chips and some Pepsi. And like I said, it's a beautiful night. We got here today, set up. Jay ran around, he didn't get sleep. I got the dog there. Didn't know me down myself in a little bit. My grandson's in the tent with her, because she got a little kid bed in there. In the bed that it is, it's like, when I got it, I thought it was a bed that little Jay was going to be able to use when we go camping. Once we brought it here and I opened it up, it's actually like, it's a bed. I'm going to show it in my next video, which will be tomorrow. I'm going to show it. It's like, it looks like a playpen, but you can zipping it up, so it's like all netted. It's a way to keep your child safe in there, instead of getting up out of there and going out the tent while you sleep. So yeah, he's in there sleeping. And like I said, my mom is finishing up stuff in there. She says she's tired and ready to lay down. What I'm about to do is finish this off. I'm gonna sit here till this fire's finished. Till this wood finish. I'm not gonna add any more logs. And then I'm gonna go and this. I'm gonna go right over there. Right over there. Take a shower. Nice hot shower. Now that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna come back and get in the bed. I will wait tomorrow, but I need to take my shower in that place. I'm like, see what I probably smell like right now. Some smoke. Turkey mix. I don't know. But I know I smell like this smoke. I smell sweaty. And I just want to go take me a nice shower. So, anyway, just want to say thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to Ruby Slippers Land Life. And be looking out for the next video, which will be, I don't know if it'll be posted tomorrow, but it will be about tomorrow. And anyone who comes across this video, I hope you have a great day if it's daytime, a wonderful night if it's night. Thanks again for watching.